What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the show. So today we're going to look at the COLA increase for 3.4%. Now, this is the last video that I will do when it comes to the COLA increase. So we're going to take a look at the spreadsheet, and then I will have this spreadsheet for you guys. And so far I will have 5 spreadsheets for you guys. So there'll be links to 5 spreadsheets so you can take a look at all of them. We'll have 3%, 3.1%, 3.2%, 3.3%, and then today's 3.4%. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But first off, if you guys can do me a favor, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification, and then click all. By clicking all, you'll get notified anytime we post a video. We do daily videos here, so by clicking the bell notification and clicking all, you should be getting updated every day. Once again, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to follow me on Twitter and Threads, you can at the TEC Show Live. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the COLA for 2024. So if you are currently receiving Social Security or if you are a veteran, this will apply to you. So we're talking about COLA. Now, we don't know exactly what COLA will be. We'll find that out October 12th. However, right now, it looks like COLA is probably going to be around 3.2 or 3.3%. It could even go as high as 3.4%, and that's why I'm doing this video today. We just have to find out the information. We'll get that information on October 12th. The CPIW will come out, and we'll know what COLA looks like for 2024, because the Social Security Administration on October 12th will announce COLA as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I want to show you guys, and I always do this when I'm talking about this. I just want you guys to see what we are calculating here and how we're getting the information. So if we're starting at the very, very top here, we're looking at these categories up here. And so if we look at the current benefit, let's say the current benefit was $264. Then we look at the percentage change. So that would be 3.4% here. And then we'll look at the difference. Okay, so the increase amount, $9. And then the total amount. So your total new amount would be $273. Okay, so we're going to move to the different categories that we focus on. SSI maximum is the first one that we'll look at, and then we'll move down the list so you can see exactly what COLA is going to be for 2024. Now, the reason that I use the spreadsheet is because I have all of the increments here. Okay, so let's say you don't get $914. Let's say you get $909. Well, we have that covered there. So that's the reason why I provide this spreadsheet, so you guys can take a look, because everyone is different. And I just got a comment, and I was just looking at a comment before I started this video, and someone was asking, well, I get $1,500 a month, so what is my increase going to look like? Well, that's why we have the spreadsheet, because people ask me those questions. You can go ahead and look for yourself to find out what your COLA will be looking like. So if we're looking at a maximum of $914 with a change of 3.4%, that increase would be $31, and the new amount would be $945. So that's the maximum for SSI benefits. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so now looking at the average SSDI payment. So the average SSDI payment right now is $1,358. With a change of 3.4%, you're looking at an increase of $46, and your new amount would be $1,404. Now looking at SSI for couples. So this is a maximum. Right now, currently, it's $1,371. If you're looking at a change of 3.4%, your new increase amount would be $47, and your new total amount would be $1,418. Okay, so now we're looking at the average Social Security benefit. The average benefit right now is $1,825. With a 3.4% change, we're looking at an increase of $62 and a new total of $1,887. Okay, so now we're looking at the maximum Social Security benefit at age 62, so early retirement. So currently it's $2,572. With a 3.4% change, we're looking at an increase of $87, and then the new total would be $2,659. Okay, so looking at the average Social Security payment for couples, right now it's at $2,972 with a 3.4% change. We're looking at an increase of $101 and then a new amount of $3,073. Okay, now we're looking at the maximum Social Security benefit payout for at full retirement age, so at 67. So right now it's $3,527 with a change of 3.4%. We're looking at a $120 increase, and then we're looking at a new amount of $3,647. Okay, so finally we're looking at the maximum Social Security benefit that you can get. So the maximum benefit right now is $4,555, and with a 3.4% change, we're looking at a $155 increase, and then the new amount would be $4,710. Now, this is the maximum at 70. So that would mean that you waited until 70 to start collecting and you received the plus up bonuses. And so that's what we're looking at right now when it comes to a Social Security increase for 2024. So we've gone from 3% all the way up to 3.4%. If you guys have not checked out those videos, please do. I have those videos. I'll have them linked at the end of this video. Also, in the comment section, at the very, very top of the comment section, I'll have all the links to the spreadsheet so you guys can pull up the spreadsheets. So what's going to happen next week is when you receive that information, whatever they tell you, if they tell you it's 3%, then you're going to have the spreadsheet for 3%. And that way you'll be able to just move down the list to see where your numbers fall, and then you'll find out exactly how much you're going to be receiving for COLA benefits for 2024. If you guys have any further questions, please let me know down below. I've also had some people ask me questions of what's going on in the House of Representatives right now. I did a couple of videos yesterday. I will follow up probably later today with another video just talking about exactly what's going on with the House. Now, that is not going to impact the COLA numbers. That's not going to impact anything when it comes to Social Security right now. And I say right now because we don't know who the new speaker is going to be. So the new speaker is going to come in, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how things could change if you have a new speaker as far as the future for Social Security and Medicare. So we'll talk a little bit about that in a video. I'll probably post another video later today. If not today, then I'll wait until tomorrow morning and I'll post that video. So that's all I have for this video. Please like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.